Hey folks, Vector Potential here. Um, the dates here probably aren't going to matter once some time passes in the YouTube algorithm, but I've been on travel since the beginning of July. It's now July 20th, and I don't get home to the 28th. But I did bring some locks and stuff with me, so I actually have a day off today. So we're picking some locks, nothing too complicated, and felt like trying to see if I could actually pull off making a video here. Um, don't have my full kit, just got the webcam, and the angle is not quite what I'm used to, but we're going to try to make it work. And our candidate lock today is this Ace 38mm. I haven't recorded one of these before, so we'll post this. There's the bitting. This is green belt lock. It can cause some grief, so we'll see if we can get in using some Topic keyway with Jimmy Long's 19,000s short flat. That was 2 and 3. There's 4. There's 5. Okay. And back to 1. Alright. That was some nice counter rotation on 1. Alright, 3 is definitely set. 2 is definitely set. What about 4? About 5. There it goes. And boop. There it is. Cool. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see if we can post some more tonight. Or maybe I just suck after 20 days of work. Thank you.